8 steps to escape toxic money behaviors. There's a hidden force controlling your life, and it's more dangerous than you think. It's the reason you feel broke even when you earn well. The reason you drown in debt while others thrive. The silent poison destroying your financial future. But what if I told you, right now, you might be trapped and don't even know it? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes we're going to expose the toxic money behaviors you must escape before it's too late. Unmasking toxic money behaviors. Have you ever found yourself swiping your card without thinking, promising you'll start saving next month, but never actually doing it? Or maybe you keep buying things you don't need, just to impress people who don't even care. These aren't just bad habits. They're toxic money behaviors designed to keep you trapped in a cycle of financial destruction. Here's the hard truth. Wealth isn't just about how much you make. It's about how you think about money. And right now, society, social media, and even your own upbringing might be programming you to stay broke. The real cost of these behaviors. Let me tell you a quick story. Meet Jake. Jake grew up in a household where money was a constant struggle. His parents lived paycheck to paycheck, always complaining about not having enough. Fast forward to adulthood and Jake was making decent money. But guess what? He still lived paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because he had inherited toxic money behaviors, spending impulsively, fearing investments, and believing money is hard to get. And Jake isn't alone. Studies show that over 60% of people live paycheck to paycheck, even those making 6 figures, because money problems aren't about income, they're about mindset. Here's the brutal reality. If you don't change your money mindset, you will stay broke, no matter how much you earn. 8 steps to escape toxic money behaviors. So, how do you break free? The answer is simple, but not easy. You have to unlearn everything you thought you knew about money. Here are 8 powerful steps to escape the toxic money trap and start building real wealth. Step 1. Recognize your toxic money habits. Awareness is the first step to change. Are you guilty of emotional spending? Do you avoid looking at your bank account? Take a hard look at your financial habits. Write them down and identify patterns. The first step to freedom is recognizing the chains that hold you back. Actionable pro tip. Track every expense for 1 month. You'll be shocked at where your money is really going. Step 2. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Most people think making more money will solve their problems. Wrong. It's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. If you don't take control of your money, it will control you. Every dollar you save today is a step closer to a future where money is no longer a source of stress. Financial peace begins with intentional choices. Actionable pro tip. Automate your savings. Set up a separate savings account and schedule auto transfers so you pay yourself first. Step 3. Break free from debt. Debt is a wealth killer. If you're drowning in credit card debt, it's time to take action. Stop making only minimum payments. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. The moment you break free from debt is the moment you reclaim your financial freedom. Actionable pro tip. Use the debt snowball method. Start by paying off the smallest debt first. The psychological win will keep you motivated. Step 4. Stop emotional spending. Shopping when you're bored or stressed is a financial disaster waiting to happen. Next time you feel the urge to buy something, ask yourself, do I need this or am I just seeking dopamine? You don't have to buy happiness. It's already within you. Real wealth comes from self-control, not a shopping spree. Actionable pro tip. Use the 48-hour rule. Wait 2 days before making any non-essential purchase. If you still want it, go ahead. Most of the time, you won't. Step 5. Build an emergency fund. Life happens. If you don't have an emergency fund, One unexpected expense can throw you into debt. An emergency fund isn't just money, it's peace of mind. Knowing you're prepared for the unexpected is one of the greatest financial gifts you can give yourself. Actionable pro tip. Start small. $500 is a great first milestone. Keep it in a separate, easy access account. Step 6. Invest wisely. Saving money is great, but if you're not investing, you're losing money to inflation. Your money should be working as hard as you do. Investing is how you turn money into a tool for freedom. The earlier you start, the more your future self will thank you. Actionable pro tip. If you don't know where to start, invest in an S&P 500 index fund. It's one of the safest long-term investments. Step 7. Create multiple income streams. Relying on one paycheck is risky. The rich have multiple income sources, side hustles, investments, passive income. More income streams mean more security. The best time to start building was yesterday. The second best time is today. Actionable pro tip. Start with something simple: freelancing, digital products, or affiliate marketing. Build streams that don't rely on your time. Step 8. Change your money mindset. The most important shift. Stop believing that money is scarce. Money flows to those who manage it well. You are not doomed to struggle. Your mindset determines your future. Believe you deserve wealth and start acting like it. Actionable pro tip. Read The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. It will completely change how you think about wealth. The truth is, financial freedom isn't about luck. It's about choice. You can choose to keep repeating the same toxic money habits, or you can choose to break free and build real wealth. The power is in your hands. You don't have to be a victim of your past. You don't have to stay trapped in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. You deserve financial peace, and it all starts with one decision, right now. Take control of your money. Take control of your life. If this resonated with you, don't just leave. Act. Drop a comment below. What's the one toxic money behavior you're leaving behind starting today? Let's build a community of financial freedom together. See you in the next video.